What's up, all you barbecue fanatics? Don with Bearded Barbecue and Adventures, and tonight we're doing brisket burgers. Now, we're not really using brisket pieces to make the patties. It's just the regular 80-20 chuck, but we are using brisket seasoning, and it's something my family absolutely loves. So let's get out there, get the grill fired up, get those patties made up, get to it. All right, everybody. We start with some 80-20 ground beef, and you put it into a bowl, and then you just kind of season it heavily with, we use the H-E-B Texas brisket seasoning. So that's what we're putting in there right now. So Mrs. Bearded Barbecue, which you never see on camera, I'm not allowed to show her face, but she's helping me tonight with seasoning of the meat. She always does a fantastic job. So once you season the meat pretty heavily, you start to form patties and everything out of it. And then once the patties are made, they're ready to go on the grill. So this is just something that's super quick. Everybody loves it. I've done ranch burgers before, but the brisket seasoning that you put on there just really gives it a nice pop. So we're going to go ahead and form patties out of this. And we'll, through the power of TV magic, just go ahead and get all of those made right before we throw them on the grill. There's the first one. All right. Patties have been made and prepped, and now we're gonna get them on the grill. I don't know about y'all, but that sizzle's my favorite part of the night. All right, we'll let those cook up. We've got our burger built. I don't really care much for lettuce, but I've got tomato, pickles, and a patty with cheese on it. So let's give it a taste and see what we think. It's a spot when you're hungry. That'll do it for another episode. So until next time, I'll see you behind the grill or behind the wheel.